To add cash on Cash App, start by opening the application on your mobile device. Once the app is open, tap on the Banking tab located at the bottom left corner of the screen. This will take you to the Cash App banking section where you can manage your funds. Next, select the Add Cash option from the menu. You will be prompted to enter the amount of cash you want to add to your Cash App account. Enter the amount using the numeric keypad and confirm the transaction. You will then be asked to choose a payment method to fund the transaction. You can link a debit card, credit card, or bank account to your Cash App account. If you have not already linked a payment method, you can do so by selecting the Add Card or Bank option and following the prompts to enter your payment information. Once you have selected a payment method, review the transaction details to ensure everything is accurate. Check the amount, payment method, and any applicable fees before confirming the transaction. After confirming the transaction, the funds will be added to your Cash App account. You can verify the transaction by checking your account balance, which will be updated in real time. It is essential to note that Cash App may charge a small fee for instant deposits, but standard deposits are free. Additionally, be aware of the daily and weekly limits on adding cash to your Cash App account, which may vary depending on your account verification status and payment method. To avoid any issues, ensure that your payment method is valid and has sufficient funds to cover the transaction. Also, keep in mind that Cash App may require you to verify your identity to increase your account limits and access additional features. By following these steps, you can easily add cash to your Cash App account and start using the service to send and receive money, invest in stocks, and access other financial services. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of Cash App and your payment method to understand any applicable fees and limits.